Let's go.
And I can see the end of the road, cause it's nothing but lights. One, two, 3, 4. Move easy. 1, 2.
In today's video, I showed you in the day or a shift of a day matron, a day porter. You saw the different areas of a corporate office that we service within the scope of work. Just as a quick recap, we went over the VCT floors, we went over the lobby, cleaned the security desk, wiped all high touch point areas around the building. We did the interior glass. We did the restrooms. We did vacuuming. And we did some light flat mopping.